Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, a chilly and dry evening under clear to partly cloudy skies. Temperatures now dropping through the upper 30s and staying quiet tonight. No precipitation. Looking at the numbers right now, most areas around 37, 38 degrees. As mentioned earlier, very slight chance late tonight and before sunrise tomorrow morning of patchy black ice. Now, how is that if we're not seeing any precipitation? What would cause that? Well, the asphalt will remain cold overnight, and as the humidity increases, sometimes you can get condensation that forms on cold asphalt, even though it's not precipitating, and sometimes you can get some patchy areas of black ice. The chances are very small, and it's really difficult to predict, but something to keep in mind. If you're driving late at night and the road looks shiny, it's not wet. More than likely, there may be some isolated areas of black ice. But overall, it's quiet. No precipitation yet. Tracking a very strong developing cold front across in the middle of the country. Here it is this evening. So let's put this into motion and we'll take you through the next couple of days. Looking real nice for tomorrow. Look at that temperature in the afternoon. Sun to increasing clouds, mild, dry, and comfortable. There's a strong cold front. Area of low pressure will develop along it. Watch the expansion of the precipitation of rain and thunder. Now, this is Sunday morning, 8 a.m. It's already 50, unseasonably mild on Sunday. We're going to keep the morning dry. The one change we did make to the forecast is to bring the precipitation in a little sooner. So do expect some scattered showers later in the afternoon and towards the evening. But the real stormy weather in terms of downpours, thunderstorms and strong wind, now this is 5 o'clock in the evening on Sunday, would be later Sunday night. This narrow strip of red is a squall line of intense rain and wind and thunder. This is around midnight Sunday night / Monday morning. This will continue into the early morning hours of Monday at around 7 a.m. Heavy rain and strong wind gusts, very mild temperatures, scattered power outages, and the whole thing will pull away by noontime on Sunday. Actually on Monday. So the strongest winds during this time period, Sunday night, Monday morning, south and east of Route 95. Gusts of 50 to 65, more than likely some scattered power outages. Wind gusts further to the north of that, somewhere between 45 and 50. So bottom line, strong southerly wind gusts anticipated with the arrival of the cold front. And there is a coastal flood watch. There's a strong onshore wind at the time of high tide early on Monday morning. So it's not just the coastline, but Narragansett Bay as well. So these areas shaded in light blue right in here with strong winds coming in off the ocean coinciding with high tide. Even in bay communities within Narragansett Bay, there's a potential for, it's a coastal flood watch. There's a potential for some coastal flooding during the pre-dawn hours of Monday. We'll keep you updated. Tomorrow morning, the brightest part of the day, nice start to the day and a rapid warm-up. 51 at 11 a.m. Clouds increase during the afternoon, but it's dry, it's comfortable. The temperatures in the lower 50s. So the big game at Gillette, the Army-Navy game, kicks off at 3 o'clock. Weather looks real nice. It's comfortable. It's not overly cold. It'll be cooling down into the mid and upper 40s, and it will stay dry as well. So looking good for your Saturday. Sunday starts to go downhill. I mean, the showers arriving during the afternoon, but the real stormy part here is Sunday night, especially late Sunday night, early in the morning on Monday. Look at the temperature on Sunday, up to 60. Mid-50s. It'll dry out, though, by Monday afternoon. But check back with further updates and further forecasts on this. It wouldn't surprise me when the kids are supposed to head out to school Monday morning, if there's limbs on the roads and maybe power lines on the road. So stay tuned. It's the reason why we're in a weather alert.
It's like Mother Nature, though, knew that we needed to get through all of these big festivities tonight and tomorrow, and then we can have some severe weather.
So in that regard, the timing was good.
Yes, for sure. All right, Tony, thanks. Still ahead on 12 News at